student. In the chapter Factor and Multiples, today we will discuss about multiples. So here is the definition of the multiples. Multiples of a number is a number that leaves no remainder when divided by that number. By the definition you can understand what is the multiples. Let's have some example. Okay. You can see these all number, okay, are the multiples of 2. If I am saying these number is a multiple of 2, 2 is the multiple of 2, or 4 is the multiple of 2, or 6 is the multiple of 2, or 8 is the multiple of 2, by the definition it is said that when we will divide it by 2, it leaves no remainder. That only na. Multiples of a number is a number that leaves no remainder when divided by that number. You can see here when we are dividing 8 by 2, because 8 is the multiple of 2, so I am dividing 8 by 2. You can see here 2 4s are 8, and then what is the remainder? 0 remainder. So it is true. So 8 is the multiple of 2. 8 is the multiple of 2 now. So from the definition it is clear only that multiples of a number is a number that leaves no remainder when divided by that number. So the 2, 4, 6, 8 are the multiples of 2. And you can see that the multiples of any number we can get by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means by any number. When we are multiplying the number by any number, we are getting multiples of that number. For example, multiples of 3. How we will get the multiples of 3? By multiplying 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means we can write the table of 3 also. So these all numbers are multiples of 3, okay. When we will divide these number by 3, it leaves no remainder. So these all numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 are the multiples of 3. Similarly, the multiples of 4 also you can write. Okay. Like the same way, when we are multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we are getting the multiples of that number. Okay. So every number, and there is no limit of the number of multiples a number can have. These much only is not multiple of 3. Many number, there is no limit, okay. There is no limit of the number of a multiples a number can have, okay. So many, the multiples of 3, we can't stop here only in 21. We can proceed it, okay, endless. So there is no limit, understood? Unlimited it is. And some fact of the multiples is that you can see 1 is the multiple of every number. So when we are dividing any number by 1, it is leaving 0 remainder. When we are dividing 4 by 1, 0 remainder. When we are dividing 5 by 1, 0 remainder. So 1 is the so every number is a multiple of 1. All the number is the multiple of 1, and 1 is the factor of every number. Every number is the multiple of 1, and 1 is the factor of every number. We can say like this. And children, to find the multiple, we understand only we have to multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will get the multiple of that number. So here is some question. Let's discuss like that. List the first 7 multiple of 18. We have to list the first 7 multiples of 18. What we will do? Simply, we will start multiplying 18 by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then not then again, because it is asked only first 5 multiples of 18. First 7. First 7 multiples of 18. Just now we have discussed, to find the multiples, we are multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4. So first means we have to start with 1 only. 18 1, first multiple. 18 2, second multiple. 18 3, third multiple. You do the multiplication, okay? 18 4, then 18 5, then 18 6, and then 18 7. Like that we can find the first 7 multiples of 18. So by multiplying you can get the first 5 multiples. So first 5 multiple is 18, 36, then 54, then 72, then 90, then 108, then 136. Okay, like that we are getting the multiples of 18. You will multiply, you will get 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 sixes are 108, 18 sevens are 136. So directly also you can write, otherwise you multiply in a rough and then you can write the first 7 multiples of 18. So whenever it will ask, you have to write the multiple of this number. What you will do? You will start multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. If it is asked first 5 multiples, you will start from 1 till 5. Okay. First you will multiply with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. And here it is given 7, so we have multiplied till 7. So these are the first 7 multiples of 80. So here is one more question we will discuss now. So find the smallest odd multiple of 9 between 36 and 81. Here we have to find the multiple of 9, but in between 36 and 81, not from starting. Okay. So we will start from here only. First we will write all the multiples between 36 and 81. Okay, all the multiples of 9 between 36 and 81. That only we will write. So we will write here the multiple of 9 between 36 and 81. Start from 36 only. 9 fours are 36 now. Then 9 fives are 45. Then 54. Then 60. So we have written all the multiples of 9 here. Okay. Now what it is asked? Smallest odd multiples. Odd, you know now what is odd? Odd number never ends with 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. It is not divisible by 2. So this is even number and this is 5 is the odd number. Okay. So this is the first odd number, smallest one. Next odd number is this, then next odd number is this. So we have to find only the odd multiples. So these are the odd multiples. Now it is asking smallest one. So smallest one is 45. So here smallest. So smallest odd multiple is 45. Okay. Similarly, here is also question, find the largest even multiple of 5 between 30 to 75. So first we will write all the multiples of 5 between 30 and 75. Same way we will do here. This is a short form of between 30 and this is and 75, because I am having less space, that's why I am using short form. So here we will write all the multiples of 5 between 30 and 75. We know that 5 6 are 30. So we will start from 30, then you start 5 7 35, like that only. Now we have to find the largest even multiple. First we will circle what are the even multiples. Even multiples are the are the number. What is the even number? Even number are number that is divisible by 2. That number which 2 can divide perfectly without leaving any remainder. And that we have discussed only in ones place. The number will end in the ones place by 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, like this. So here is there is one option 0 only. So these are the even number. Okay. These are the even multiples of 5 between 30 to 75. Now it is asking largest. Which is the largest among them? 70 is the largest. So answer is so largest even multiple of 5 between 30 and 75 is equal to 70. This is only answer, okay? So children, you know how to find the multiples, you know the definition of the multiples, and you know some facts of the multiples also. So like that you can solve all the question of your book. Have a good day. Keep on practicing.